Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening and watching. It's your girl Shaeranea, right? And I'm back with another video. And today I just want to say that, it's hard to find good people in your lives. It's hard to find people who are genuine and sincerely care for you. But the ones that truly care are truly genuine and there for you. You want to be there for them too, right? Return the love as the love is given. Give and you shall receive. Give unto someone else as you would give unto yourself. Love thy neighbor as you love yourself. Everyone knows that in many times in life, you really find people who are sincere, who are truly honest and pure, who want the best for you in all aspects of your life. But spend time with those who are worth investing time in, meaning value your time. Give those the time that they deserve. Those who don't deserve your time don't need much of it. And those who do deserve your time, give them more of your time. Spend more time with your family and loved ones that actually are sincere, that really care. They're there for you when no one else is there. This is important because family is health. Family is wealth. Being connected, being one with your people, being one with your family is most important. Spending time with them is so fundamental because you learn so much from interacting with your family. You also get laughs, joy, splendor, fantastic times, jokes, and so many amazing memories that you can rethink over the past years. Even family time requires you guys to reflect. If you hold old grudges, you can learn to talk to each other and forgive. So many different things that we can encounter with the people we love. But the best thing about it is, are you willing to grow with those people? Are you willing to change as a person? Are you changing as a person? Are you growing as a person? Are you expanding as a person? Spend your time with those who are worth investing time in. Spend your energy on those who are worth investing energy in. You will know the difference, and you can tell the sincerity and the honest genuineness and the pureness of the energy around you with those very people. I'm not saying you can't help anybody. I'm saying help those who want to be helped and also help themselves. Also, you can help people who don't help themselves as well. But don't let that handicap you. As you climb up the ladder, you will meet a lot of people in your life. A lot of people who will bring you down, a lot of people who lift you up. Know the difference. Make sure that you are transparent, honest, and sincere about people who are in your life, their intentions, and what purpose they serve in your life. A lot of times we get ourselves misconstrued by the perception of what we may think. Most of the time, it's not as it seems. People aren't really our friends. And that's the reality you have to accept. Now, reality of it is you can accept the benefit and what they've taught you through the time that you've known them. You love those memories, even if they were short-lived. You will learn so much from people, even if they weren't genuine or sincere. But just take the lessons out of things. Don't take things to heart, and don't let things bother you. Grow, experience, learn. Love you all.